Your mother.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Too far, man!
What?
Mothers are off limits, dude. You can't just go around disrespecting other people's moms. That's not cool.
Man, I just thought...
Dude, I don't care what you thought. What's wrong with you, man? People have died for less, you know?
Look, I couldn't come up with any rhyme, so I just thought, your mother.
Hey, stop it. How dare you repeat it? My mother was a fucking saint, you hear me?
I guess.
Too far, man. Too far. I can't just keep talking to you and act like it didn't happen, alright? Mothers are sacred. Fuck! That was so out of line.
But I was just trying to play along.
Here, take your mask and fucking scram. And I don't ever want to see your stank ass around here again, you cocksmoker.
Okay, man. That'll be for the best. Okay, so I guess it's safe to go in now. Good morning, lady who I've never seen before.
And a very good day to you, masked man who looks strangely familiar. Can I help you?
Have you seen a man with a green shirt and glasses around here?
I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I'm not at liberty to divulge that kind of information.
Oh, sure. I'd like to speak with Dr. Johnson. It's kind of urgent, so can you please let him know I'm here?
I'm sorry, sir, but Dr. Johnson is not seeing any more patients today.
Well, I just said it's kind of an emergency, you know?
I understand, sir, but we've been having some problems with a very dangerous individual with spiky hair lately, and I'm not allowed to let any strangers in, especially if they don't have an appointment.
Well, then I guess this is my lucky day. Dr. Johnson knows me very well.
Please excuse me saying, but I don't tend to put too much trust in people who conceal their faces with masks.
Oh, then you're missing out on some really cool stuff, like being kissed by a superhero who's hanging upside down,
Or being brutally murdered by some guy with a chainsaw.
Granted, but not all masked men are the same.
Right. So what type are you?
The type that doesn't want people to know who he is.
Are you hiding some dark secret, perhaps?
Never. Honesty always comes first. But there are many people out there who don't want to reveal their true identity. Take Superman, for example.
But Superman doesn't wear a mask.
His glasses are his mask.
Wow. I never thought of it like that.
By the way, what about my emergency appointment with the good doctor?
As I was saying, all the appointments for today are booked. But I can put you down for tomorrow morning if you like.
Here we go again. Tomorrow's no good for me.
Wednesday, then?
Never mind, miss. By the way, the decor in here is a bit fruity, isn't it?
Well, Dr. Johnson has a weakness for stuff that reminds him of his childhood.
Oh, that's what I thought. That patient right there doesn't look too good.
Yes, poor guy. I heard another patient made him have a nervous breakdown.
Oh, my.
I know. He's been like that since last week. Dr. Johnson says it's best not to push him. He'll come around eventually.
He's been like that all weekend? But what happened?
Well, I think it was last Thursday. That spiky-haired man came in here with a monkey and they began to argue. The monkey got really agitated and began throwing feces all over the place. I'm afraid poor Alan was right on the front line. He hasn't been himself since.
Good reaction. No, the monkey. So, do you know anything about that freak and his pet?
Dr. Johnson left everything to the police. I think there's this man, Sergeant Kramer, who's already looking into it. That's why we have those posters with that man's face in the entrance now.
Oh, great. Well then, I'm sure you have a lot of work to do. Thank you very much for your time.
Anytime, sir. Have a nice day. Excuse me, sir. Where do you think you're going?
Today's Dr. Johnson's birthday. I just wanted to surprise him.
His birthday? No, it isn't.
Oh, really? When is it then?
He never mentioned it.
Well, it's today then. Believe me.
Okay, I believe you. But I still can't let you in.
Damn it. So, about Dr. Johnson's birthday.
Yes?
I'd like to throw him a surprise party.
A surprise party? Where?
Well, what better place than right here?
Here? I don't know.
Oh, come on. Trust me. He won't be expecting it.
That's true.
So, are you in with me?
Okay, fine. But you should put up some decorations or something, don't you think? This doesn't look like a birthday party.
Well, leave it to me.
That's why you're wearing a mask, right? Because of the party.
Oh, yeah. Yes, the party.
Thought so.
I should take this off first. I'll just take one piece. I don't think Elaine will mind. And we have a winner. Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Would you like a balloon?
Sure. Are they free?
Do I look like the kind of guy who give away a free balloon?
I don't know. Didn't you used to sell hot dogs?
I'm afraid that's all ancient history now. There was a time when the hot dog goddesses smiled on me. I used to have the best dogs in town. But one fateful day, I got this hex on me. And since then...
Hey, hold it, pal. I got the monopoly on curses. Find yourself another excuse.
I'm sorry.
I said I want a hot dog with extra everything.
Did you not hear a word that I just said?
What?
Ugh, I hate people.
That makes two of us. So, why do you sell balloons now?
Well, after my food handling license was revoked, I spent some time doing a little research. After an exhaustive...
Get to the point. Don't make me regret asking.
Okay. Do you see that kid over there?
It's hard not to. That one.
Well, he's crazy about balloons and he always has money. All I have to do is follow him around, and I will be able to put my kids through college.
What does he do with the balloons? Eat them?
Not exactly.
I see. Well, no, actually I don't.
But I'm blind.
I think all that helium has gone to your head. What's that? Nothing. Is that a helium cylinder?
How else am I going to blow up the balloons?
How should I know? You're the expert.
Yes, and I'm telling you, it's helium.
Then why isn't your voice all high-pitched and stuff?
What planet do you live on? That's only if you inhale it.
Are you sure? That's not what I've heard.
As sure as today is Monday.
Okay, then, why don't you prove it?
Because I don't want to waste my helium.
Oh, come on, don't make me beg.
You can beg all you want. I'm not going to inhale some helium just to give you a cheap laugh.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, please.
No. No.
Please, please, please.
No.
Pretty please.
I said no.
Super please.
Really?
Super please.
Don't insist.
I really need it.
Do you want me to tell you what I need?
I really need it.
I really don't care.
I really need it desperately.
That sounds familiar.
It's a matter of life and death.
Then I choose death.
If you don't do it, I won't talk to you ever again.
Where do I sign?
I'll be your best friend.
I already have a dog.
I'll be your best friend forever.
I hate dogs.
Don't you want to be my friend?
All right.
Yippee-ki-yay, dumbass!
Great stuff. And I think the kid liked it too.
Well, that's only normal. He's just a kid.
But you?
Yeah. Hey, can you do it again?
You know I'm not going to do it again.
Hey there, big guy. What a cool balloon you have there.
It's mine. You can't have it. You suck.
Did you like that man's weird voice?
Yes, that smelly balloon guy's really funny. I like it when he does stupid things.
All right, good. You want me to do that voice again?
Yes, dumbass, I do.
All right then, but I'm gonna need your help. Oh, don't start with me, please. Just tell him to do it again when he asks you.
Okay, dumbass.
Sorry to bother you again, but I think that kid wants to tell you something.
Lily? Hey, Jam, can I help you?
Weird voice?
Weird voice?
See? I'm not the only one who wants you to do it again.
Do you like it when I do funny voices, kid?
Weird voice.
It's not right.
Just look at his face. I'll say he's not right.
Very well, little buddy. Anything for a sweet little kid.
Man, I think I went a little too far.
Wow. Did you kill him?
I think so. Although maybe I gave him some permanent brain damage. Now he's just like you. Nothing.
Keep your filthy hands off my balloons.
Ow! All right! All yours, you snotty little spawn of Satan.